Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you for stopping by. Today's video is a little bit different. I got these little cat ears on, I got some warm toned eyes going, and a cool toned lip. But today's video is doing makeup inspired by my cat. But yeah, I saw Ivory Cherry here on YouTube do this on her channel, where she did makeup inspired by her two dogs and the colors of their fur and their eyes. So I decided to do it where I took my cat's eye color, which is like a golden coppery color, and do that as my eyeshadow, and then do his fur color on my lips. So this is my cat here. As you guys can see, he's got some black and brown to him, and his eyes are a coppery gold color. He is also the smartest cat ever, but I will insert clips. I have taught him how to sit and give paw to get a treat. He is just over 8 months old. I'm doing this makeup here inspired by him, and he is not liking being picked up right now, so just put him down. So first step into doing makeup inspired by my cat is of course the cat ears, and as you guys saw in the intro, my cat is black, gray with a little bit of brown to him, some light tannish color as well around like his mouth, and then his eyes are a coppery brownish color, like brown and gold. So that's the look I'm going for, as you guys obviously saw in the intro. But regardless, we're going to be starting off with brows, and this is the Benefit Brow Contour Pro, and this is in brown black light. So it works perfectly for my cat's colors, and I'm just starting off with the lighter color first and doing the front half of the brow. And then when I get to about the halfway point, I will switch to the darker brow. And then going back to the lighter brown shade first. And filling in the front of the brows. And then we're going to go back in with the darker brown shade to fill in the other half of the brow. And then we're going to be setting the brows with the Benefit Ready Set Brow. So now taking the definer shade from the same pencil, we are going to be carving out our eyebrow. And then we'll be taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to prime our eyelids and blending it out with this Morphe brush. And for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Becca Volcano Goddess palette. I got this for Christmas from one of my mom's friends, and these colors are so beautiful. So first off, we're going to be going into this granite color and running that into the crease. So next we're going to be taking lava and applying that to like the outer half. Then taking another finger, we're going to be going in with Gilded and applying that to the inner half. So now we're going to go in with a little bit more of Granite just to blend, taking Volcanic Sand to blend the granite into the brow bone a little bit better. For this inner corner highlight, we're going to be going in with Diamond Dust. So that's it for the eyes for now. So I'm going to be taking this NYX primer oil and priming my face, because I am going in with a very full coverage heavy foundation. So next I'm going to be mixing these two products. I'm going to be mixing the Urban Decay All Nighter in 2.0 as well as the NYX foundation mixer in the olive shade. Taking the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye in the shade Neutral Medium for our concealer. And we're going to be setting that with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 10 Fair Light. Taking this Real Techniques brush with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder in Warm Light, and I'm going to be setting the rest of my face. So next I'm going to be taking the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder, and I'm going to be using both dim light and radiant light. I'm going to be using the bronzy one obviously to bronze, and I'm going to be using this other shade to kind of act as a blush. Product is really expensive. You do not need to use something this expensive. I just got it as a present from my mom's friend who works for Christian Dior in Thailand, and this is a Christian Dior highlight. It says the Rouge Blush in Midnight Wish, but when you look at it, it is a beautiful golden highlight. That is so pretty. Alright, so we're going to go back in and do the lower lash line, and we're going to be taking this color again, Granite, and we're going to take the darker grayish color here and a tight greater and putting that kind of in the bottom center. Guys, if you really want, you guys can add winged liner and some lashes, but I'm honestly just going in with mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Feline mascara. Perfectly fitting since I'm doing a look based off my cat and his. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Black Lip Liner, and it's their Blackberry Lip Liner. For the liquid lipsticks, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Smoke and Mirrors Mini Liquid Lipstick Duo, and it's just a dark gray and a light gray shade. Please do not come in the comments with bringing in the whole controversy of Kat Von D. That's not what this video is about. I want to use them. I do not care about the controversy. Please do not bring that into the comment section. You guys obviously don't need to use her products if you don't want to. If you want to use her products, go ahead and still use them. Like, it ain't harming anybody. It's not like you're gonna walk out and wear a full face of Kat Von D and everybody's gonna know it's Kat Von D. Like, enough said, I'm gonna line my lips and fill them in the set of the liquid lipsticks is Smoke and Mirrors, but the two colors are Wolf, which is the darker gray color, and Dagger, which is the lighter gray. I'm going to be taking Wolf first, and I'm going to apply that all over the lip. And then I'm going to be taking Dagger and applying that in the middle. Highlight the center of the lip. Alright guys, so this is the final look inspired by my cat. As you can see, I incorporated his black and gray colors as well as his eye color. Enjoyed the video. If you guys have pets, definitely do this video. I think it was a super fun video to do, just to do makeup inspired by your pet. So yeah, thank you Ivory for doing this. I know I wasn't like tagged or anything to do it specifically because like, who even am I? Nobody tags me to do anything because I'm so irrelevant. Plus, it was still a really fun video to do. So, like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and turn on that little bell notification so you guys know every single time I upload. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Lovely, I'm corruption. I just noticed that you seemed a little down. Just sign right here on this line and I can change your life.